In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add descriptions to Trello cards. By the end, you'll know exactly where to write important details, how to include helpful links or images, and how to make sure everything is saved and visible to your team. Start by opening your Trello board and selecting the card you want to edit. This brings up the card's detailed view, where you can focus on the information for that specific task or project. Make sure you're on the correct board and card so the details end up in the right place. Right below the card's title, you'll see the description area. This is your dedicated space for context, what needs to be done, why it matters, and any specifics someone would need to complete the work. If the box looks empty, that simply means no description has been added yet. Think of this as your single source of truth for the card. Click inside the description box to start writing. Keep your text clear and concise, but include enough detail so teammates don't have to guess. A useful pattern is to open with a quick summary, then add key instructions, requirements, or acceptance criteria. If you have resources elsewhere, like a document, a design file, or a tracking link, paste the URL directly into the description. Trello will automatically turn it into a clickable link, making navigation easy for everyone. You can also paste images into the description if you want to show a quick mock-up, a screenshot, or a reference visual. This is especially helpful when words aren't enough to explain a layout, a bug, or a design tweak. If you add multiple visuals, consider spacing them with short captions to keep things readable. Aim for scannable paragraphs, rather than long walls of text, so teammates can quickly find what they need. Once you're happy with the content, look to the bottom right of the text box and click Save, or select the checkmark. This step is important. If you navigate away without saving, your changes won't stick. After saving, your description will appear neatly under the card title, and it's instantly visible to everyone with access to the board. If you spot a typo or need to clarify something later, just click the description again, make your changes, and save. And that's it. Open your board, choose the card, write a clear and helpful description with links or images as needed, and save. With consistent, well-written descriptions, your Trello cards become far more actionable, your team moves faster, and you cut down on back and forth messages.